Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today we do have it's kind of like a surprise type of package that I'm going to open for you guys. And then as you can see, I have on a different setting today, and this is gonna be the setting from now on because I moved. Anyways, so today I told you that last 2 months ago that I do have the last 5-4 package that I have, but what had happened was I forgot to cancel it totally. So October, it was renewed again that I didn't know about it. I tried to call the customer service about that, and then they were not able to do anything with that one because they processed already the payment for this. So here we are again with the Menlo package, 5-4 or Menlo package. This is a monthly subscription, so you can tell that it's shoes. So we're gonna open this one, and then I want you to unbox this with me. So anyway, so here we are. We're going to unbox this one. I got this one very last week, but I was in a difficult time last week, so it was crazy. Hence the new setting that you can see. But anyways, so this is what we got, and then first off the bat, we got the classic socks. So this is a classic socks by New Republic. So there you go, New Republic. And then it says here that. And then this one is the Holloway. I think I had this one already before in a different color. So this one is Ladder by Menlo Club. So it's a collaboration between the two. So I would assume that this New Republic shoes is a collaboration, but let's see. I think it says here it's Kurt. There, I had this one already before, but I wonder what color is this. I have the white one and I have the black one. So let's open this baby up. Oh, and it's brown. I have all these leather shoes with different colors and stuff. Oh, this is nice. So I guess it's kind of like in a good way that I got this one for my very last Menlo. So it's on a plastic bag. So there you go. So this one is the Kurt, and it's all leather and with the white sole. So there you go. I should do it like that. And then yeah, it's nice. Like I said, I do have the black one of this one and then the white one. Now I do have the brown, so which is nice. So that's this one, and yeah, so this is just a quick unboxing of my very last, because this is gonna be my very last one. I already canceled it. I'm not going to have any Menlo packages from now on. This is it, and so surprisingly it's a good one because I have the shoes. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. Bye.